2004 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.